Welcome to our English space. Let's get started.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I woke up at 7 a.m. yesterday.
I get up early every morning. I got up early yesterday.
I brush my teeth every morning. I brushed my teeth this morning. I wash my face every day. I washed my face before breakfast. I make my bed every morning. I made my bed this morning.
I eat breakfast every day. I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. yesterday.
I drink coffee every morning. I drank coffee this morning. I go to work every weekday. I went to work yesterday.
I take the bus every morning. I took the bus yesterday. I have lunch at noon every day. I had lunch at noon yesterday.
I come home at 6 p.m. every day. I came home late yesterday.
I do my homework every evening. I did my homework last night.
I read books every evening. I read a book last night.
I write emails every day. I wrote an email yesterday.
I speak English every day. I spoke English with my friend yesterday.
I learn new words every week. I learned 10 new words yesterday.
I study English every evening. I studied English last night.
I work from Monday to Friday. I worked all day yesterday.
I watch YouTube every evening. I watched YouTube last night.
I play games on weekends. I played games last weekend. I clean my room every Saturday. I cleaned my room yesterday.
I cook dinner every evening. I cooked dinner yesterday.
That's impressive. You completed the step without any problems. Don't stop now. Keep going here.